Here is an example of a first grade Fundations lesson. You can see that the teacher has the objectives and standards listed, and you can play her instructions.
In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the letters I and U and the sounds that they make.
Now after, you can advance to the next page. It'll look a little different on your screen, but you can see this is her lesson for the day.
Today in Fundations, we're going to learn about the letters I and U. When we write these letters, we're going to consider these plain line letters. Here we have I, itch, it. I, itch, it. You say it. I, itch, it. Very good.
And the assignments, here's an example of an assignment. Did you see the student? And again, the instructions, you can play them.
In the notebook, you can find the vowels I and U on page 10.
And again, more directions for the assignment.
As you record yourself, point to the letter and say the name of the letter, point to the keyword and say the name of the picture, and point to the sound and say the name of the sound. When you are finished, you may color the keyword picture.
Now, of course, the students will have notebooks or workbooks that they're working in with all their Fundations assignments. But that gives you a good example of what a first grade lesson will look like.